Today in this video we will see 3D hearts using ribbon with 10 ideas in just few minutes. Hi friends, welcome to DIY Crafty Sewing channel. Now let's see first idea. Here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon and with the length 3 centimeters. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe our channel for not missing the future updates and please like the video. Now first idea is completed. Let's see second idea. Here I am taken 3.5 width centimeter ribbon. Now second heart is completed. Now heart number 3. Here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon and length of the ribbon is 11 centimeters. Now third idea is completed. Don't forget to like the video. Now heart number 4. Here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon with the length 3 centimeters. Now fourth heart is completed. Now heart number 5. Here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon with the length 7 centimeters. Now fifth one is completed. Now heart number 6. Here I am taken 3.5 centimeters width satin ribbon. Now heart number 7. To make this heart, here I am taken 1/4 inch satin ribbon with the length 5 centimeters. Heart number 8. Now heart number 9. Make this one. Here I am taken 1 inch width satin ribbon, length 15 centimeters. Now heart number 10. To make this one, here I am taken 1/2 inch width satin ribbon with the length 12 centimeters. All are done. Don't forget to like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.